In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create admin dashboard in Base44. To get started, open Base44 in your browser. Once the platform loads, take a moment to orient yourself with the interface so you can easily follow along. This tutorial focuses on using Base44's built-in AI tools to quickly generate the foundation of an admin dashboard, which can save a lot of time compared to building every section manually from scratch. After you're inside Base44, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Home. This will bring you to the main workspace area where you can begin creating something new. If you're not sure where to start, Home is usually the best place because it gives you access to the primary tools and the AI prompt area you'll need for this process. Next, find the prompt box. This is where you'll type the instructions you want the AI to follow in order to generate your admin dashboard. The key here is to be clear and specific. Instead of using a very broad request, describe the kind of dashboard you want the AI to build. That helps Base44 produce a result that is much closer to what you actually need. For example, you can type a prompt like this. Create an admin-only sidebar section with a user management table and revenue chart. This is a strong example because it tells the AI not only that you want an admin dashboard, but also which core components should appear in it. Mentioning things like a sidebar, a table, and a chart gives the AI useful direction and makes the output more practical right away. Once your prompt is ready, go ahead and send it. This tells Base44 to begin processing your request and generating the dashboard layout based on the instructions you provided. Before submitting, it's always a good idea to quickly reread your prompt to make sure it matches your goal, since clearer wording usually leads to better results. After that, simply wait while the AI finishes generating your prompt results. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a short moment. During this stage, avoid interrupting the process and let the platform complete the generation. When it's done, you should have the initial version of your admin dashboard ready to review, and that's the full process for creating an admin dashboard in Base44. The main idea is simple. Open Base44, go to Home, describe exactly what you want in the prompt box, send the request, and wait for the AI to build it for you. With a well-written prompt, you can create a strong starting point for your dashboard in just a few clicks.